Welcome to today's video on fractions, where we'll delve into the world of halves and quarters. Picture this. You have a delicious pizza just out of the oven. You're hungry and eager to share it with a friend. How do you make sure both of you get an equal share? This is where understanding fractions comes in handy. Let's start by talking about halves. When you divide something into two equal parts, each part is called a half. So if you take that pizza and cut it straight down the middle, you've created two halves. Each half is 1 out of 2 equal parts, and in fraction terms, this is represented as 1/2, or 1/2. Now let's move on to quarters. Imagine you have that same pizza, but this time you want to share it with 3 friends. You can cut the pizza into 4 equal parts. Each of these parts is called a quarter. In fraction form, a quarter is represented as 1/4. This means each person gets 1 out of the 4 equal parts of the pizza. Understanding how to use fractions, like halves and quarters, is not only useful for sharing pizzas. It helps us in a multitude of everyday situations. Whether you're measuring ingredients for a recipe, calculating distance on a map, or even dividing up tasks in a project, fractions are everywhere. It's also important to know that these fractions can be added together. For instance, if you take 2 quarters from the pizza, you end up with what fraction? That's right, you're holding half of the pizza. This is because 2 quarters are equivalent to 1/2. Fractions teach us about the beauty of parts and wholes. They remind us that every piece counts, no matter how small. So next time you encounter a pie, a chocolate bar, or any situation that requires fair division, think about fractions and how they make our lives more balanced, exact, and fair. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Keep exploring the fascinating world of mathematics, and see you in our next learning adventure.